I'm the worst human being you've ever met. Right. You trying to shoot me through the fucking windshield?
I didn't do anything. What are you talking about?
Or is that a fucking joke?
Show me.
You're unbelievable.
Am I?
Yeah.
Not the one with your phone recorder in your hands after being an asshole.
Yeah, I'm the only one who's an asshole.
Never said that.
Right. At least I have never
Kate,
once...
just post on Facebook.
I have never once driven a car with you in the passenger seat when I was angry.
Remember, you're contractually binded not to post anything.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you
Show
are.
me. Show me
I
it.
absolutely get it.
Show me.
I have 6 copies of
Show me it. Show me where it was notarized. Pretty sure I have so many things that would break any legal quote-unquote contract.
I don't care. This is so goddamn over.
Yep.
You ruined my night, and then you just do this.
Yeah, I ruined your night. Right.
You can
I
never take
ruined your night.
accountability, but you beg for it from everyone
I
else.
ruined your night. Keep saying that. I didn't do anything to you.
I literally fucking hate you.
Yep.
And I hope that's all recording. Like,
Yep.
I want you to be able to watch this and remember that I
Yep.
fucking hate you.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep.
Cool. That's good.
Can you stop? Can you stop?
I mean, I can. I fucking hate you. Go get your hoop. Kate,
No.
why? Why? I finally say I'm gonna go, and now you're saying no.
I don't want my hoop.
Why?
Because I don't.
Because why?
Because I don't.
Because why?
Do I need to have a reason?
Because you were like, I'm not coming if I don't have my fucking hoop.
Yeah, and now I don't want it.
Why?
Because why would I want a hoop?
You're throwing such a fucking fit for that. For what reason? You started crying because I said no hoop.
God. Did I start crying, really?
Literally.
Did I?
Yes.
Right. I shed a tear. Okay.
God, you're fucking awful. But did you message him? Did you message him? Kate, did you message Dario?
Yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me? Get out of my fucking car right now.
Why would
Get
I
out
get
of my
out?
fucking car.
No.
Get out of my fucking car.
No.
Get out.
Do not.
Get out now.
Don't touch me.
Get out.
No. Why would I not message him? What? You were just gonna leave him in the dark and tell him you weren't going?
He's gonna let you fucking tell him.
Right. And I did, and now
Did you
you're
tell him
mad
why?
at me for
Did you
it.
tell him why? Did you tell him why? Dude, I'm so fucking done with this. I'm so fucking done with you.
Yep.
I'm not kidding.
Yep.
You can get away with fucking everything.
Same, dude.
I've been ready since
Mister,
4.
remember, you signed a contract, so now I can get away with all my shitty behavior.
No, you just can't post it on Facebook.
Right.
You can bring me to court all you want.
Uh-huh.
Go ahead.
Right.
Do it.
You always think shit is getting better, Brian.
It was.
How convenient.
It was
How
getting
convenient.
better.
You always think it's getting better.
Yep. At least I got hope.
No, you just want a cookie because you acted good for like 3 days. And then you don't get it, so you have a fucking meltdown.
You're
But yeah,
trash.
everything's getting better.
You're literally the worst person I know.
Yep.
The entire ride.
Can you stop?
It's gonna be the entire ride. Just let me know. Buckle up. I literally don't give a shit anymore. Probably gonna run out of camera footage. I want to just like restart the video so you get it all. Go ahead. I mean, I can record it for you if you want. Be on the head of, Frontline News, right? So that's what you want. Let's do it. Fuck it. Throw me in jail. Get me hated by all my friends. That's what you want, right? That's what you want,
No,
right?
it's not what I want, dude.
Yeah, bullshit. Well, that's what we're gonna do. Make it Frontline News.
Right. So that makes sense to you.
All eyes on
right?
Kate. All eyes on Kate.
That makes sense to you, then, right?
Let's
Let me
just-
just
let's
abuse
just-
my
let's
girlfriend.
just do it from your
Let me just
perspective.
abuse my girlfriend because I don't want to take accountability for it,
Mm-hmm.
and then blame her for being concerned for her own safety.
Yep, because it's totally my fault.
I don't know, dude. You're the one behind the wheel.
Well, it's gonna be a show for the whole world now. I'll even post it. I don't give a shit. Ooh, pedestrian.
Can you stop?
I just literally told you it's gonna be the whole ride. That's what I just said. We're filming it, remember? Do it for the gram, bro. Do anything. Just driving. Sorry, I forgot to stop right. Yeah, this feels like shit, doesn't it, Kate? Jesus Christ. Maybe they'll kill us.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know, I just feel like pissing everyone off. Maybe they'll kill us.
Can you stop? Stop
Sorry,
it!
I forgot how to drive.
Stop!
I forgot.
Stop! This isn't funny.
No one said it was funny. Just had enough. Remember that breaking point you always talk about with me? Wonder what happens when we push him too hard. Maybe he'll go psycho.
It's totally an excuse to put other people in danger.
I don't fucking care. That's funny. That one's funny. To think that I give a fuck about anyone but myself, right? So that's what you always say. So why don't I do that? Why don't I just not give a fuck about anybody? I'll show you what that looks like.